Good morning students. Now class 7. Today you have to read about the types of salt. Now there are three types of salt. Types of salt. There are three types of salt. Acidic salt, basic salt, and neutral salt. Neutral salt. Now, what is acidic salt? What is basic salt? And what is neutral salt? Now, acidic salt, that is, salt is formed by how? By reaction of acid with base. So now when any of two, that is acid and base, which has strength more, that's name come with salt. Understand? Now acidic salt, in acidic salt, what has the more strength? That is acid has. So now when salt is formed by a strong acid and weak base, then the salt is formed which nature is what? Acidic. Huh? So acidic salt is a salt which is formed by a strong acid and weak base. Strength of acid is higher here, so the salt name is acidic salt. Now in basic salt, you know that basic come base. Basic, this word comes from base, and in salt, you know that both are present, both mixed, that is combined acid and base. Now whose strength is higher? That is base strength. Strength of base is higher in this salt. Now the strength of here is weak base and strong acid combines to form the salt which has basic nature. Understand? Now neutral salt. Neutral salt, that is when both are strong or both are weak, then the resultant salt is formed, that is neutral salt. If there is a strong acid and strong base, then the salt is neutral. When weak acid reacts with weak bases, then the salt formed is neutral. Understand? Now one by one, we see here acidic salt. At first, acidic salt. Acidic salt. Acidic salt. You know that here in this salt, what? Whose strength is more? That is acid strength. Now, acidic salt is a salt which is formed by reaction of strong acid with weak bases. Understand? Acidic salt is a salt. This is a type of salt which is formed by reaction of strong acid with weak base. Now you should have to know that what are the strong acids, as I discussed earlier, that is what are strong acids and what are weak base or weak acid or weak or a strong base. Now you have to know for this. Now you know that hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, it is here the strong acids. Now when sodium chloride is a salt, it is what type of salt we have to know. Now at first we have to know that what type of acid present, what type of base present in this salt. Now acid sulfuric acid. With sulfuric acid, H2SO4. H2SO4 when reacts with magnesium hydroxide, then what happens? You know that neutralization reaction takes place in acid-base reaction, that is hydrogen ion of acid reacts with hydroxide ion of base to form what? Water. Huh? Now what are the rest substances, that is magnesium and sulfate. Now magnesium ion or sulfate ion reacts with each other to form magnesium sulfate. Now magnesium sulfate is the salt. Huh? And what type of salt, that is what is the nature of magnesium sulfate? That is its nature is acidic. Why? Because it is formed by a strong acid. Huh? Like strong acid is present. Now strength acid shows its strength, that's its name come, that is acidic salt. Hmm. And acidic salt shows the character of acid, that is it turns blue litmus red. If you put some drops on wet blue litmus paper, then you will see that blue litmus paper turns red as acid turns blue litmus red. Now what happens here? Acid shows its strength. Huh? Acid, there is the strong acid which forms the salt. Now you have in this type of reaction, you have to check your formula. That is, if magnesium sulfate, here you simply know that Mg and sulfate MgSO4. If here sodium is present, then what will be the formula? NaSO4, no? Huh? So now formula is dependent on your valency. So you have to check your formula of salt. That is MgSO4. It is correct or wrong. You know that what is the valency of Mg? 2. Now Mg has the plus 2 charge and sulfate what? Minus 2 charge. Now crisscross method, Mg2 SO4 whole 2. Now you take the common factor 2, divide it, but that is both are divided by 2, then you get MgSO4. Now you have checked the formula and you write MgSO4, that this is the salt. Now this is the acidic salt and water. Now second example, you can make the salt by reaction of sulfuric acid with copper hydroxide. What type of salt is formed? That is copper sulfate is formed and that is acidic in nature. That also turns blue litmus red. Understand? Now as nitric acid, it is also the strong acid. When it reacts with magnesium hydroxide, then magnesium nitrate is formed. That is the acidic salt. When nitric acid reacts with zinc hydroxide, then zinc nitrate is formed. Then what type of salt? That is acidic salt. So now you have to know that there are many salts which has the natures, that is which acidic, basic or neutral, and it is dependent on the reactants. Huh? What type of acid is taken, what type of bases are taken during reaction. Now you can make zinc nitrate, zinc nitrate. Huh? So zinc nitrate, that is Zn and NO3. NO3 comes from what? Nitric acid. Now nitric acid and zinc comes from what? Zinc hydroxide. Now zinc hydroxide is the base and nitric acid is the acid in the formation of zinc nitrate salt. So the nature of zinc nitrate salt is acidic because here strong acid, that is sulfuric acid or nitric acid is present. Understand?